Hello students. Today we are going to see the some important national institutes located in India, because in every competitive examinations one or two questions are appearing based on this topic, that is national institutes in India and their location. ठीक है, देख लेंगे. First one, Central Potato Research Institute, that is located in Simla. Second one, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, that is located at Tiruvananthapuram. Next, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located in Varanasi. Next, Directorate of Rice Research DRR is located in Hyderabad, and Central Rice Research Institute CRRI is located in Cuttack, Orissa. Next, National Dairy Development Board NDDB is located at Anand, that is in Gujarat. Next, National Institute of Oceanography, or that is located at Panaji, and another is also National Institute of Ocean Technology at Chennai, and National Institute of Oceanography is at Panaji. National Research Center for Groundnut is Junagadh, Gujarat, and National Research Center for Sorghum is Hyderabad, and National Research Center for Mushrooms is Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Next, National Research Center for Orchids is at Pakyong, Sikkim. National Research Center for Oil Palm is Pedavegi, West Godavari in Andhra Pradesh. National Institute of Communicable Diseases is located in New Delhi. Next, National AIDS Control Organization, New Delhi. National Bureau for Plant Genetic Resources is located in New Delhi. And next one is National Center for Plant Genomes Research is located at New Delhi. And National Seeds Corporation is located in New Delhi. Technology, Information, Forecasting and Assessment Council TIFAC is located in New Delhi. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research TIFR is located in Mumbai. National Institute of Virology is located in Pune. National Center for Cell Sciences in Pune. National Chemical Laboratories is in Pune. National AIDS Research Institute is located in Pune. And next, JN Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research is in Bangalore. And Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research is Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Institute of Mathematical Sciences is located in Chennai. ठीक है. Next one, Center for Wind Energy Technology is located in Chennai. National Board for Higher Mathematics is located in Mumbai. Institute of Physics location is Bhubaneswar. Institute of Life Sciences is also located at Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Institute of Plasma Research is located at Ahmedabad. National Research Center on Camels is Bikaner, Rajasthan. National Institute of Geomagnetism is located at Mumbai. Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute is located at Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Next, Central Research Institute for Dryland and Agriculture CRIDA is located at Hyderabad. Water and Land Management Training and Research Institute is located in Hyderabad. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is at Mumbai. Board of Radiation and Isotope Technology BRIT is located at Mumbai. Uranium Corporation of India located at Jadugoda, Jharkhand. Indian Rare Earths Limited at Mumbai. Atomic Minerals Directorate of Exploration and Research is located in Hyderabad. Next, Central Food Technological Research Institute CFTRI is located at Mysore. Next one, Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics is located in Bangalore. Fishery Survey of India at Mumbai. National Center for Organic Farming is at Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. National Botanical Research Institute NBRI at Lucknow. Central Drug Research Institute CDRI at Lucknow. And Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants is located at Lucknow. National Center for Integrated Pest Management is located in New Delhi. Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is located at Cochin. And Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute is located at Kolkata. Next, Variable Energy Cyclotrons Center is located at Kolkata. Raja Ramana Center for Advanced Technology is located in Indore, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Next one, Indian Institute of Petroleum is located at Dehradun. Center for Plant Molecular Biology at Hyderabad. Center for Plant Molecular Biology at Hyderabad. Serum Institute of India Limited is at Pune. National Institute of Cholera and Enteric Diseases is located in Kolkata. Northeastern Space Application Center is located in Umia, Meghalaya. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is present at Dehradun. National Remote Sensing Agency is present at Hyderabad. National Biodiversity Authority is present in Chennai. Next, National Institute of Disaster Management is located in New Delhi. And the another one, Indian Institute of Pulses Research is located in Kanpur. In the same way, that is National Institute of Nutrition NIN is also located at Hyderabad. Like so many important national institutions, and their locations are here. These are very important. Those who are preparing for competitive examinations. Thank you.